everyone? Good morning. Hello. Today is my first day of my 50 days before my birthday workout challenge. So it means I will try to do 50 days consecutive to do a workout before my birthday, before my 50th birthday. So first workout for the day is squat. Just back squat or barbell back squat. Alright, so I already did 25 repetition, and if you think barbell is kind of a little bit heavy for you, so you can just grab anything which is a little bit lighter. So I took a small ball, 4 kg ball, so you can just put it on your back, and you can do your squat again. 28, 30, so now I already did 40, and then still, if you think it's still hard for you to have a weight on your back, you can just do the body weights. So, "46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, so today, this is the first day challenge or the first workout before my 50th birthday. So just back squat. It's either you can do with weights, with light weight, or even body weight. But at least you do some challenge. That's why today I'm doing a challenge. Because why? Because without challenge, life is kind of boring. Alright? Okay, before I end, I want you to leave a small thought. Like, if you think you cannot train hard, if you think you cannot train intense for the start, you can just train easy. Training easy, training slowly is better than training nothing. Alright? Thank you, and have a great morning, everyone. God bless. Peace.